Advantages and disadvantages of linear guide rail and hard rail. Linear guide rail advantages: fast running speed, especially in high load and high speed cutting. More obvious: high precision. Linear rails are pre-treated to achieve zero clearance between rails. Low maintenance costs. Line rail maintenance is relatively simple, only regular inspection and replacement of appropriate lubricants. Linear guide rail disadvantages: carrying capacity relative to the hard rail. Line rail carrying capacity is relatively weak. Stability. Line rail in the seismic capacity and stability less than the hard rail, especially in the vibration of the environment. Hard rail advantages: the bearing capacity of the hard rail is larger. Its structural high strength, rigidity, can withstand larger loads. Then its service life is also relatively long. It has good durability, especially suitable for long-term continuous work occasions. Disadvantages of hard rail. Hard rail assembly is difficult. In the assembly requires some professional knowledge and skills. Then the maintenance cost is relatively high, and in the maintenance time, must comply with the operating procedures.